Are you the kind of person who wants to make reading a habit but can't? Like, whenever you pick up a book, you just flip through some pages, and after that, you just drop it off and start scrolling through Instagram or YouTube or whatever, but you just don't read. And if that's you, then yeah, you've come to the right video. So I recently made a video about how you can read more as a student. That video focused on people who liked reading but didn't get any time to read. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can build a reading habit so that you can get benefits of the reading world, and if you want to continue, you can become a so-called bibliophile like me. Let's get right to the video. In my view, you should be very careful while choosing your first three books, because after that third book, you're most likely to either continue your reading or just end the journey. Like for me, to recreate my reading habit, I read one of my very close friend's first book, It Ends With Us, and after that, my journey continued. I recently bought these three books. So just do some research and read reviews and choose your first three books wisely. I'm not sure if this will be applicable to you or not, but I personally feel like if you start with fiction, it'll be much better than starting with non-fiction, because fiction is fun. Now don't get into dark romance or erotic. Stay away from that shit. You can choose some horror, romantic, comedy, or any other genre that you'd like, but not smut. Smut is just written porn, nothing else. Like, to actually build a reading habit, you have to set some time blocks for yourself. You can set that you'll read, say, 10 pages or a chapter before you sleep, or in the evening, or you can even make it a part of your morning routine. But you have to be disciplined in this habit, because it ain't gonna be easy, I'm telling you. But after you stick to it, it's still really worth it. So these are my personal tips which helped me become a regular reader, and if this video provided any value to your life, do give it a thumbs up, because it really helps in the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And sorry about the background noise.